Hello dear children, today I am going to discuss question number 7 of 2019 Physics MCQ paper new syllabus. Consider the following statements regarding the physical properties of ultraviolet and ultrasound waves. Capital A statement, energy of both waves depends on their frequencies. Capital B statement, both waves have the ability of ionizing materials. Capital C statement, both waves can be polarized. So take capital A first. Ultraviolet waves are electromagnetic waves. So if we draw the spectrum, electromagnetic spectrum, there is a place for ultraviolet here. This place is for ultraviolet. Before that, X-ray. Before that, gamma ray. So like this, you should remember this spectrum. So if it is an electromagnetic wave, the energy of a photon is given by the equation HF. So frequency is here. Energy is related to frequency. So that means this statement is correct for ultraviolet waves. Energy of both waves depends on their frequencies, but not for both. It is correct only for ultraviolet waves. Then what are these ultrasound? Ultrasound is just a sort of sound. This word ultra is there because the frequency is higher than normal sound waves. So we can take it as just sound waves. If it is sound waves, it is a mechanical wave. Mechanical waves. So if ultrasound waves are mechanical waves, energy is given by, energy is proportional to square of amplitude, or just we can say velocity max, V max of particles. You know mechanical waves. When we talk about mechanical waves, we can think about a simple pendulum. So V max is here at this middle point. V max is there, maximum velocity is there. So the potential energy is 0, kinetic energy is maximum. So we can calculate the kinetic energy like that. So that is the energy. So using velocity, we can calculate the energy, or amplitude. Using amplitude, we can calculate the energy. So there is no relationship with frequency. Therefore, this statement is wrong for ultrasound waves, because the statement says energy of both waves depends on their frequency. So here no frequency, amplitude instead of frequency. Here amplitude is there. Therefore it is the thing that determines energy. So therefore the statement is totally wrong. Then statement B, both waves have the ability of ionizing materials. So in the lesson we calculate the energy of a photon of this ultraviolet wave. So there we learn that it is enough, the energy is enough of a photon, ultraviolet photon, to break the bonds, break a bond between atoms. So ionization can be done by this ultraviolet. Ultraviolet waves can ionize materials, but because frequency is very high. The frequency of ultrasound wave is very low. Therefore, if you calculate this energy, it is not enough to, it is not sufficient to break the bond between two atoms. Therefore, ultrasound waves can't ionize materials. Therefore, the word both is here. It is therefore wrong. It is correct for only ultraviolet. It is wrong for ultrasound. So totally this one is wrong. Then let's take the final one. Both waves can be polarized. We have to go to the lesson. We can't argue or derive it here. In the lesson we learn only these transverse waves can be polarized. This ultrasound is a mechanical wave, so it is a longitudinal wave like this. Therefore it can't be polarized. It can't be polarized. Only transverse waves can be polarized. Longitudinal waves can't be polarized. So the word both is here, therefore this statement is wrong. It is correct with only this transverse waves, which is ultraviolet. It is wrong with this longitudinal waves, which is ultrasound. So finally the correct answer is this one. The fifth one is the correct answer because all A, B and C are wrong. Incorrect. Right. So thank you very much children for watching my videos. I think you understood. Here actually nothing to be understood. You have to remember the lesson well. So if you haven't still subscribed my channel, please do it right now. Don't subscribe twice, then it will be cancelled. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.